HYPOTHALAMUS Artificial Intelligence, HI, is a business partner of IBM that produces state-of-the-art optimization technologies. The video presents HI Technologies connectivity with IBM Technologies. The IT platforms to be linked are OPTEX Optimization Expert System, IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio and IBM Decision Optimization Center. HI operates as a knowledge factory in highly complex mathematical modeling. Its main interest is the monetization of its intellectual property, making win-win commercial alliances. For this reason, one of HI's main interests is to make joint ventures with IBM business partners and with IBM wholesalers to go to market. The solutions offered by HI can support the growth of startups, spin-off companies or already consolidated companies, to offer solutions to their end users, as part of the digital transformation of companies. OPTEX, the expert system for optimization, is used as the way to develop and implement AWO solutions, in which multiple mathematical models converge that can be connected by means of databases on disk, or in cache memory. OPTEX is the generative artificial intelligence produced by HI, which manufactures enterprise-wide optimization systems, in accordance with the state-of-the-art of Industry 4.0. Created in 1990, OPTEX has been used by HI in the implementation of multiple AWO systems and, to HI's knowledge, is the only computing tool capable of integrating hundreds, if not thousands, of mathematical models, running on a parallel and distributed computing system. For those interested in learning more about OPTEX, we invite you to watch the video. OPTEX History, from Simplex Method to Mathematics-Based Artificial General Intelligence, and OPTEX, Optimization Expert System. The artificial brain is the evolution of DSS under the Industry 4.0 revolution, that is conceptualized as a set of mathematical models, that exchange autonomously information between them, working online, using distributed optimization. When all the models that make up a company are solved using the concepts of real-time distributed optimization, an artificial hypothalamus is obtained. This is how the human brain faces reality, using multiple models of reality, acting permanently in parallel, to make decisions. There are multiple points of view for building an artificial hypothalamus, but they should all produce the same results. OPTEX is geared towards building multi-problem mathematical models, which are the essence of the artificial brains, that are part of enterprise-wide optimization systems. OPTEX uses its expert system for the mathematical modeler to develop complex algorithms, without performing computer programming tasks, because it stores all the implemented models in a structured way, which turns the creation of models into a Lego game, joining and dividing problems. The products offered by IBM to support optimization-based solutions are IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio, and Decision Optimization Center. OPTEX generates IBM OPL structured programs for each model, includes the link to IBM on, error-free and easy to understand, since all descriptions that exist in the database are included in the program. OPTEX's multilingual capability allows description in multiple languages, so it is possible to have the same model in different languages. IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio. It is an IBM product, especially oriented for the implementation of prescriptive analytics solutions, which integrates three types of products. First, optimization engines, mathematical problem solvers, include two types of algorithms. Plex optimizers, algorithms aimed at solving mathematical programming problems, and Plex CP optimizer, algorithm based on constraint programming. Second, model development tools. It is composed of OPL, IBM Optimization Programming Language, an algebraic language for programming mathematical model algorithms, and Concert Technologies, object libraries for programming mathematical models using general-purpose languages, such as C, Python, Java, and others. Third, ODM Enterprise, specialized interface for handling runs of mathematical models, and visualization of model results. It integrates three types of IT solutions: user interface, optimization model server, and data server, input and output, of mathematical models. There are multiple ways to connect OPTEX-generated programs with the CPLEX solver. If low-level, general-purpose languages are used, the appropriate way is to connect the CPLEX libraries with the executables of the models. This can be done directly, or by using the Concert Technologies object libraries. The screenshot presents a C program generated by OPTEX, connected to CPLEX. If the algebraic language OPL, optimization programming language from IBM, is used, the connection is direct. OPL produces an executable that connects CPLEX to the mathematical models. CPLEX is a high-performance solver. Since its creation in the 80s of the last century, for many decades, it has been a leader in the solver market. The library included in CPLEX Optimization Studio can be linked to other optimization platforms, such as GAMS, AMPL, AIMS, and MATLAB. This makes it easier for CPLEX to be used to formulate algorithms based on large-scale optimization methodologies, which significantly accelerate the time to solve highly complex mathematical problems. The screen presents a part of the code of an OPL problem generated by OPTEX. The screenshot shows SQL connectivity in an IBM OPL program, generated by OPTEX. OPTEX generates the codes, in XML, that are required to access the databases from the specialized ODM interface. In this way, you have a starting point to fully customize the data visualization, from input to output. The display features graphics generated from ODM programs. This visualization does not require programming on the part of the user. The screen presents the display of a table from the industrial database, generated by OPTEX. OPTEX can also generate programs for visualization in specialized applications, such as the IBM JView system, that allows you to visualize and interact with Gantt charts. This type of interface is appropriate for viewing vehicles, production orders, and products, which transit throughout multiple facilities. The visual power of ODM is great, which benefits the OPTEX, IBM ODM union that uses it. In this case, ODM uses JView's diagrammer in an automotive manufacturing company to visualize sequencing and slotting operations. In this example, ODM is used to display the replenishment of empty containers. Empty containers are needed at exporting ports, so they are transported from importing regions. IBM Decision Optimization Center provides a high-level configurable platform to support business decision makers such as scientists, developers, analysts, planners and schedulers. It uses powerful analytics to solve tough planning and scheduling challenges, reducing the effort, time and risk associated with tailored, business improvement solutions. Deploy the platform to make smarter decisions and improve ROI by combining data and analytics with cutting-edge optimization technology. Decision optimization is part of the IBM Unified Advanced Analytics Platform. This presentation uses slides extracted from IBM presentations, covering all stages of highly complex modeling, data preparation, analytics at scale, and insight for action. The presentation concentrates on the tools provided by decision optimization. The optimization and modeling engine is CPLEX Optimization Studio, COS. This implies that all CPLEX connectivity is full useful in OPTEX DOC connectivity. Therefore, OPL model databases can save OPTEX-generated models that are managed from the CPLEX IDE. The second component of DOC is the development and deployment platform, aimed at launching applications. It includes its own services such as multiple objectives and goal programming, controlled relaxation of constraints, scenario management, collaborative planning, slashing development costs, refining optimization models, and scalable enterprise deployment. The DOC architecture is like that of COS. A user interface oriented to the implementation of mathematical models, 2 data servers, one for optimization and one for industrial data, and the graphical user interface. This is the same architecture as OPTEX, expert system in optimization. This architecture is the logic for a high-level optimization platform. The union of OPTEX and COS allows the user to drive models on either platform, taking the best of each at their convenience. The biggest advantages of the connection are: IBM DOC users have access to create enterprise-wide optimization systems without the need for programming, and all that entails, and OPTEX users have access to CPLEX Optimization Studio as well as DOC's model management and deployment services. The diagram presents the union of OPTEX, DOC in which industrial databases are integrated, making CAS an expert system for results management, and the OPTEX mathematical model database is used, which allows the generation of computer programs in OPL, or another alternative language, which can be managed from the COS IDE from OPTEX IDE. Another feature provided by DOC is the management of stochastic optimization models. Among its characteristics we can name, to compare multiple plans, scenarios, and KPIs, and to handle mathematically the concept of cost versus robustness. Added to these characteristics is the power of OPTEX to handle stochastic optimization models, which are automatic generation of non-anticipative stochastic models, by scenarios, adjusting the algebraic formulation, and the structures of the data tables that store the stochastic parameters. To do this, the modeler creates a deterministic core model of the stochastic optimization model. To convert the core model to stochastic, the modeler defines the random parameter scenario, and from there, OPTEX will adjust the mathematical structures of the new model. Any parameter can be defined as stochastic. This approach means that the same model can be used with different dimensions of uncertainty, some valid for strategic planning, and others for tactics. In addition, OPTEX provides the modeler with the multi-stage decision process of formulation, the generation of synthetic stochastic processes, the use of generic equations for risk control, such as conditional value at risk, and the use of large-scale optimization methodologies, such as Bender's theory and Lagrange's relaxation. All these characteristics are reflected in OPL's stochastic optimization models. Stochastic processes are a part of every industry, and today's computational power, multiprocessing capability and solver evolution, makes stochastic optimization the state of the art. Decision optimization on the cloud, SaaS delivery, are the services offered by DOC for use it on the cloud. The integrated product, OPTEX, CPLEX Optimization Studio and DOC, can support the functional architecture of optimization systems across the enterprise, including modern multi-problem mathematical modeling concepts, in accordance with Industry 4.0 connectivity. At the beginning of the past decade, IBM published a diagram, which describes the economic value added by applied mathematics, and more specifically by stochastic optimization. It is classified as a superior methodology capable of managing the effects of uncertainty in the decision-making process. The capacity of the methodologies is analyzed from 2 points of view: degree of complexity, and competitive advantage. The contribution of the methodologies is differential, which implies that the best generates competitive advantage, due to their greater capacity to handle complex situations. The union of OPTEX with OPL can be considered as the most powerful factory of knowledge, in decision-making on the market. Some of the products offered by IBM to support solutions based on advanced predictive analytics are TM1, IBM Planning Analytics and IBM Cognos Analytics. Connectivity to IBM Advanced Analytics can be done from any program deployed with OPTEX, such as programs in low-level languages, such as Python, Java and C++. Programs generated by OPTEX in high-level algebraic languages, such as GAMS, Mosul, AIMS, and AMPL, can also be connected. As a special case, there are the models generated with IBM CPLEX Optimization Studio. That they can be part of the DOC environment and use facilities not available to other technologies. Those interested can request a demo on a real case implemented with OPTEX, CPLEX Optimization Studio, and IBM Planning Analytics, for a brewing company. Mathematical physicist Alfred Whitehead said, "Civilization advances by extending the number of important operations which we can perform without thinking of them." Thank you for your attention.